Yo, what up everybody? Welcome back to Wild Style Collective with another sneaker unboxing and review. Today we're going to be unboxing the Kobe 6 Pro-Tro All-Star, Kobe 6 Pro-Tro Italian leathers, and the Kobe 9 Halo. So I'm going to do two at a time, or one by one I should say. Yeah, I know I'm way late, but better late than never, as they say, right? So let's go ahead and get into it. Put that one on the side real quick. Whew. It's been a minute, y'all. It's been a minute. All right, so here we have Kobe 6 Pro-Tro. And that's what that looks like right there. Straight from Nike. Oh, I like the box though. That's real cool. It's like snake print, embossed or debossed. I'm not sure which one of those it is, but it's one of those two. Really cool box, really cool packaging. Kobe signature right there. Got the Mamba Kobe tri logo there. Really cool. Woo! Woo! Sorry, man. Damn. Way better in hand. Yo. Nah, yo, wait. These are way better in hand, dog. Man, dude, I've had these boxes just kind of sitting in my room for a while, as you can clearly tell. Yeah, because these are not brand new. These did come out this year, but man, so clean. Extra laces right here. Let's see when this pair was made. What do we got? So I see June 18th, 2024 to September 17th, 2024. Okay. Man, super fire. Wow. Crazy. Pictures don't do it justice. It looks like an off-white in pictures. You know, like a almost cream off-white, but man, there's a lot going on. This is really cool. It's like subtle. It's more subtle in pictures, but in hand, wow, yeah, there's definitely a lot more going on. Fire. All right, so the Nike Kobe 6 Pro-Tro sale All-Star dropped on February 13th, 2025 for a retail price of $190. For sizing, make sure to always go up a half size for Kobe's. That's just rule of thumb. I'm an 8.5, but I went to a 9. All right, so moving along, we're gonna go ahead and jump right into the next pair. Let's go. Let's get it. All right, so we got these older boxes here. Let's go. They go green. They don't want to use tape, so they use glue and a tearaway box, I guess. Okay, let's go. So here we have the Nike Kobe 9 Elite Low Pro-Tro Halo. The Kobe 9 Halo dropped on September 19th, 2024 for a retail price of $210. Yeah, I'm pretty late, but like I said, what's new? So, yeah, the high is actually, I think, a little bit more well known. Everybody knows what the high looks like. I want to say those that know Kobe sneakers. This one just dropped. So yeah, I'm really excited about it. Let's take a look at it. Oh, what's this though? What's that? I don't know what that is. I don't like that. Anyways, this is the label. Let's go. Sheesh! That's fire. It's got almost like a pearl iridescent vibe. Really cool. This one is crazy. Let's see when this one was made. January 26, 2024 to May 30th, 2024. Okay. Let's go. Oh, these feel soft. These feel comfortable. They don't feel so much, they don't feel really stiff like the All-Stars here. No tea, no shade at these, but these materials, I don't know. If you know, you know. You know, it's one of those things. Beautiful shoes. And there we have the Kobe 6 Protro Sailor All-Star and the Kobe 9 Elite Low Protro Halo. Chef's kiss, y'all. Chef's kiss. Mwah. Okay, so here we have the Nike Kobe 6 Protro Italian leather. Let's get into it. Okay, here we go. Woo! Man. Look at that bad boy. Ooh, that's fire. Did not know this was same color as the swoosh. Kobe signature. Wow, another one of these way more better in hand shoes. Like, man, oh god, I've just been sitting, I've just had these sitting here on ice at my house. Like, man, I should have been rocking these. What? Oh my god, these are so fire, man. Oh my god. Doesn't look like there's any extra laces, but we're good. Wow, look at these Johns here. Let's see when this pair was made. October 18th, 2023 to December 14th, 2023. What? Wow. So as you can tell, I've had these for quite some time. Just like the rest. These shoes just don't deteriorate like they used to. Like, they do last. Like, I'm wearing a lot of Jordan 4s, Jordan 3s these days, a lot of Nike Dunks still. Still wearing my Yeezys, so yeah, you know, it's taking me a while to get around to wearing every pair, you know, trying to find an occasion to wear every pair of shoes. So, you know, but this is what's going to be coming up here in the next hopefully the next year's rotation. So yeah, like I said, always go up a half size for Kobe's, whether it be a 6 or a 9. I went up a half size for both of these, and the 9. I got the size 9 for the Halo, 9 for the Italian leathers, and 9 for the All-Stars. So just a little rule of thumb, you always want to go up a half size, just so you can have a nice comfortable fit. More so for me, just because I'm going to be rocking these casually versus me wearing them on the court. I do hoop a little bit, but not like, you know, enough to consider myself a hooper or anything like that by any stretch. So I am going to try to wear these on the court, but realistically, I do see myself getting more wears out of these just casually. So let me know what you guys think about any of these Kobe's. Are they a cop? Are they a drop? Sound off in the comments. Let me know what you think. If it's your first time here, please like and subscribe, and hope to see y'all on the next one. Peace.